What's up, y'all? Your boy Dominoes 7 here. Like to welcome y'all to the Dominoes 7 show, live location right here at the crib. Okay? Alright, so today I'm going to Naomi's third birthday party. Okay? Yep. I'm already late and the party already started. Okay? So I'm very much late right now. So I gotta get over there as quick as I could. Okay? Alright, so it's gonna be lots of fun over there. It's cloudy right now and everything. But hey, have fun as best as they could. Okay. So, all right. I'll see y'all at the area at the party.
All right, y'all. Welcome back to the show. All right. So we setting up shop and stuff like that. So a party ain't a party. It's a party with a purpose right here. You see? Yep. It's setting things up and stuff like that. Naomi is inside, I guess. So here's some folks here. So anyway. You see, folks, I'm just here as a videographer, just here and there, All right, so they're setting things up and everything. Well, I'll be right back, folks. All right, y'all. Welcome back to the show. All right, no copyright infringement. I don't own this song in the background, y'all. I know y'all hear it in the background, but I don't own this, y'all. Okay, so got some folks over here and over there and stuff like that. So disregard that music in the background, y'all. But I ain't leaving until I sing happy birthday to my cousin, Okay? So you see, folks, it's a nice celebration over here and stuff like that, All right. Yeah, the birthday girl should be here though, but she ain't dressed yet. I can't put on my show if she not dressed, No inappropriate dressing allowed on my show. All right, so it is what it is, yo. It is what it is, All right, so not time for a commercial break. Hey, wait a minute. I thought I was recording for some reason. All right, so I'm back again. All right. So where the birthday girl? Oh, there go the birthday girl. I thought I was recording. So here we go. Yeah, the birthday girl say, hey! All right, there go the birthday girl. So let's get away from the speaker and stuff like that, I thought I was recording for some reason. I messed up my episode, y'all. Okay, so it's a party with a purpose, y'all. Okay, so we'll think about it, folks. It's a good party, y'all. But we'll see what's up, All right. All right, y'all. Welcome back to the show. All right. Say, Nash, are you coming back? All right, then go to birthday girl again, and the mommy, and stuff like that, All right, oh my God. Not what I wanted over here, All right, so it's a party with a purpose, y'all. Party with a purpose, okay? Yep. It's a party with a purpose. Naomi's third birthday party, she made 3. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about, y'all. Oh, what the hell? That's bad as Susan. I don't want to put that. Oh no. I don't know who watched my show. I really don't know who watched the Dominoes 7 show. I don't want no creeps watching my show. You heard me? I hate creeps. You heard me? All right, so. All right, so that's all for now. I'll be right back. All right, y'all. Welcome back to the Dominoes 7 show. All right, let's go up. See the birthday girl. Here we go. Uh-oh. What? Oh, what is that? No, that's not a roach. That's I don't know what kind of bug that is. Okay. Hey, Naomi, happy birthday. Say hey. Naomi, say hey. Look at the camera on TV. Say hey. All right. Yep. So much fun today. Say hey, everybody. Y'all on the show, say hey. All right. So this video will be uploaded either tonight or tomorrow. Who knows, you know? All right. Well, right along with the gaming, you know. All right. All right. So y'all won't be on the show, ma'am? Ma'am? Y'all won't be on the show, huh? All right. Y'all won't be on the show, huh? All right. I ain't gonna put you on. Well, he been on the show enough, you know. So it's a party with a purpose, y'all. Okay. So water slides and everything. I'm no kind of creep watching this, you know. Say anything inappropriate, I'm gonna find you. You gonna go to jail. You hear me? Any creeps watching my show, if I find out, you're going to jail. You hear me? I haven't had nobody arrested before. You know. Yep. So we'll be right back. All right, y'all. Welcome back to the show. We about to sing happy birthday.
I did. But it's enough people right here. You want to say happy birthday?
About to
You want to say happy birthday? Let's flip. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Nayomi. Happy birthday to
yeah, she's 3.
You gotta get back in the pool.
Oh, who's that?
Come on. Throw your hands on, mama. Throw your hands. And she right.
Oh, that's the baby crying, y'all. I'm sorry, y'all. All right. Well, I get to sing happy birthday though. After this will be the final thought.
Hi, friend. Today's a special day because it's your birthday. Clap your hands, it's a birthday. Clap your hands, it's a birthday. It's birthday to you. It's your birthday. Birthday to you. It's your birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Cha-cha. Happy birthday to you. It's your birthday. Happy birthday.
wait, wait. And Naomi on TV gets ahead. All right, she kind of shy, y'all. Not time for the final thought.
All right, y'all. I'm back home. Yep, relaxing and stuff. So I just got home about a minute ago. Okay. Yep. So anyway, not time for the final thought. Okay. Well, I mean, there's so many people there. As far as I could remember, family on this side, family on that side, and stuff like that. You know, some of them is probably Arthur's family members. You know, some people I've seen before, some people I've never seen before, and some of those friends is their trail friends as well. You know. Yep. So I remember this girl. She said she was on the show before. You know, I must have forgot. You know. So I mean, this gonna be a moment for Naomi to remember. Okay. I mean, she'll watch this episode probably about a couple of years from now. So I'm gonna be filming as much as I could. You know what I'm saying? As much as I can, so I can upload it and film as many times of her as I can. You know. I mean, I really care about my baby cousin. You know what I'm saying? Okay. So, like I said, all type of people watch my show. As far as I know, the police department, sheriff, detectives, and all that. You know, judges probably, FBI. You know, the law enforcement monitors these videos. You know. Okay. So, I mean, it was lots of fun. You know, my cousin and all that, and everything. I mean, family and all that means a lot. Yep. So, I mean, that was so much fun. Wish we could turn back the hands of time. But wait, we could watch it. You know. So now my family members watching this, and you viewers out there too. Okay. So you're not here in person. You can watch it on TV. You know. All right. So thank y'all for watching this. All right. Okay. Remember, Dominoes 7 reminder y'all, help control the pet population. Have y'all pets spayed and neutered. Thank y'all for watching the Dominoes 7 show. All right. And make sure y'all take care of y'all kids and raise them right. Okay. All right. Until next time, America. All right. Check me out anytime, any day. And you can bet your last money. All right. I wish you love, peace, and soul. Thank you for watching the Dominoes 7 show. All right.